Hey, pretty bird flock. We're stopping by the puddle one more time after we just walked a big circle. And pretty bird is panting again. We're going to let her cool off again before we walk home. Right, Goose Goose? Yeah. Go ahead. Get yourself cooled off, babies. She's standing in the water. Does that feel good on your feet? Huh? Does that feel good? Oh, nice. Yeah. Here. Alright, for drinking, I'm going to go ahead and get Pretty Bird her clean, bottled water. It's tap water, but it's taking, look at that. Could you hold this for a moment?
Why didn't you give this
Big bird!
Why didn't you give this to her while we were coming around?
We were walking and I thought she might go splashing again to cool off. Hey, Pretty Bird. She knows this. This is her drinking water. See how spoiled she is, guys? This is what I call a spoiled goose. Nom nom. Nom nom?
No, it's pretty bird.
What? What do you see? I know it's getting dark, Pretty Bird. It's okay.
Hey, Mom, we're going home. We're going home.
Yeah, if you want to after this. What are you doing? You're not supposed to eat the bowl.
It's a funny pretty bird.
I know, right? She's such a silly goose, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this cute little silly goose one more time before we head home. While we take a little break from walking. Pretty bird, did you have fun today? Did you have fun today? Should I leave me alone? I'm eating. I'm busy. Big bird. Big bird, are you a big bird? Are you a big bird? Can Mama see Big Bird? Can Mama see the big birds? No, no big birds for Mama?
Mama, it's a cat leaf. I have to sit down.
Come on, Big Bird, let's go swimming. Come on. Come on, let's go swimming. No, not this way. That way. Come on. Come on. Look at the water. Look. The water. Ooh, nice. You gonna go playing? You gonna go play? Big Bird, you gonna go play? Whoop. Don't slip. Come on.
Mom.
I don't think she wants to go back in the water
I
anymore.
want to make it not cat banana. Not cat banana.
Pretty Bird. Say, I love everybody in the Pretty Bird flock. Say thank you for watching my videos. Pretty Bird. Say, you need to subscribe, right, Pretty Bird? So you need to share the videos to everybody so everybody can find out about Pretty Bird and how cute she is and funny she is. Right, Boots?
Yeah.
Right, Pretty Bird? Pretty Bird. Do you want them to share your videos? Huh?
All she cares
Pretty
about
bird.
is food right now. She's just
Pretty Bird.
wants to graze.
Cuckoo.
Mom, all she cares about is food right now.
Right?
Yeah.
Pretty Bird. And tell everybody, say, and if you like my videos, and you comment, and you subscribe, and you share, it'll make us all so happy. Nom, nom, nom. You see this? She's got a giant puddle right here. But Pretty Bird, she gonna drink her clean water. That is our spoiled goose right there.
Yep.
Now, nobody tell me this goose ain't spoiled. Because that's what I call a spoiled goose.
Yeah, it's spoiled.
Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We hope you have a wonderful evening. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stick around for more content. We'll see you soon. Love you guys.